is about almost 10 p.m. and I'm going to attend my first class. So my classes usually go from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the morning here, which is completely doable. So yeah, I purposely requested classes that are in the morning. So I'm chilling. Just finished my last class at 1 a.m. and now I'm eating Tiki, which is my favorite. Like, I have this entire bag. My room's kind of messy. I will eat all of it if I don't stop myself.